4 ways you can keep your scalp clean without washing it. Hi guys, it's Pamela Naturals and I'm back with another video. So today I want to talk about scalp health. Obviously, scalp. What's more important than your scalp? That is the base of the growth of your hair. The hygiene and the condition of your scalp is very, very vital to how your hair turns out. And so today I want to talk about how to keep your scalp clean without washing it, because I know as naturals sometimes you're not able to wash your hair, for 1 or 2 reasons. On those days that you're not able to wash your hair, what can you do to keep your scalp clean? Well, number 1 is that obviously if you're not able to wash your hair for a particular reason or for a particular period, you want to go light on the products. Don't go using mineral oils or heavy products, thick products daily, say to moisturize your hair or seal your hair or even scalp your hair. You know why? Because those products will sit on your scalp and on your hair for longer, and if you're not able to wash your hair, then you will get that buildup, and that is not hygienic and it's not healthy. Instead of using butter or heavy cream or whatever it is that you use to moisturize your hair, use something as light as coconut oil and water. So instead of a leave-in conditioner, you can use water to spritz your scalp and your hair, and then seal that moisture in with some coconut oil or jojoba. Actually, you can use coconut or jojoba oil. They're very light oils. You can use those, and most of the times they are absorbed into the scalp and the hair, so you don't get much, if any, build up when you use them. So go light on products. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is to definitely moisturize your scalp. Guys, I have experienced this myself. I would always wonder, why is my scalp flaking so much? It would flake. It still does sometimes, I'll be honest. It still does. Because some days are just not the best days and you can't really attend to your hair as much as you would like to. So moisturizing your hair prevents dandruff from forming, because what dandruff really is your scalp getting dry, or the moisture level on your scalp goes below a certain level, and then what that does is that your skin starts to crack and dandruff is formed, and therefore if your scalp has got dandruff, that's not hygienic, and also it doesn't look good. It looks pretty nasty if you're walking around with a head full of dandruff. So definitely moisturize so that you don't allow the moisture level on your scalp to go below what it requires. Water is underrated, I think. You can take, say, a little cotton ball and just dab your scalp just to clean some of that product or some of that buildup from your scalp. It can make a difference. If that doesn't sort the problem, then apple cider vinegar. Yes, I've tried this myself. Sometimes when you've got braids, for instance, and somehow you're not able to wash them, I've used apple cider vinegar before just to clean my scalp and be able to still continue with my protective style. So those are the things that I use to keep my scalp clean without having to wash it. Please let me know what you guys do to maintain a clean scalp on those days that you can't wash your hair. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the button below and make sure you click on that bell so you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. Bye.